Hey, I'm Fish. Oh, it's a windy day and it's kicking. I'm glad I grabbed the mic. The mic gear, that is on noise canceling. I shot a full day of reviews with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro in super night. Yes, indeed. I didn't take it off of super night. I left it on for the reasons of exposure jumping. Yes, indeed. I may have found my trick in exposure jumps. The difference between my Sony ZV-1 Mark II and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the field of view. The lens in millimeters. One is so wide and the other is not. I should give the Ace Pro a shot at it, but without the mic. But the problem is, if I use the mic, it must be dedicated to the mic gear. I tried all day to get to a human chatter. Yes, indeed. And the problem with Wondershare, Filmora, they don't have any more humans. You could try your best to try to chat, and support is all artificial intelligence. 3 days prior to expiration, you have the option to fully cancel, and that's what's going to happen. I'm gonna pull over here to the side, but I want to ride just a little further down. If you notice a couple of flashes, that's not me. We're all set up for the holidays. So here we are, looking nice and pretty, if asked. You really got to see it when it's dark. Putting it on video mode, does that help you out at all? Oh, he got one. He got one. And that's the bulb flashing along. It is high tide. It's really high tide. We got a nice lamp lit up on the Midnight Star. I haven't seen that boat go out in quite some time. I believe somebody's just living on it. No, I'm not speechless. I just I don't know. Maybe I'll just hop on my bike and go along. This used to be a great place and used to have a nice moral, and it's no more. Picture of a pirate ship. Imagine going to Plymouth, New Hampshire, and they taken away the morals over there. Wouldn't you want to keep it up? Put a nice wall up, a nice structure right there. Taking something out of this area. Visitors, they're coming. They're coming by the flock. This box got something in it. You think it's just empty? Sure is. And trash is all over the place. Would have brought it back to the person that it belongs to if it was a full box. Well, it's time for me to go to the editor, go sit down with Joe and take care of my bizwax. And on that note, I know who I am. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. See ya. Out of here.